Hello everyone, my name is Abbate and I'm speaking to you from Italy. I've been a teacher for over 2 decades, specializing in history and geography. Currently, I teach at a state high school where my students are aged 15 to 18. Let me introduce you to my learning scenario titled SOS, Save Our Soils. I wanted my students to explore questions like how does soil health impact biodiversity and what practices can help conserve this precious resource. To tackle these questions, I integrated geography and biology with the support of my science colleague, Vittoria. This interdisciplinary approach brought the topic to life by linking it to the real-world issues like sustainable farming and combating climate change. The starting point for creating this learning scenario was identifying a reliable challenge: soil degradation. I wanted my students to engage with tools like Soil Atlas of Europe and free apps such as the Water Balance and Global Forest Watch apps to see how technology can aid in understanding environmental problems. Collaborating with my colleague Vittoria was very enriching. While aligning our subjects was straightforward, we needed to ensure our goals and timelines were synchronized. My advice for successful collaboration is to communicate often and to be open to each other's idea. Using the BSCS5E model as the framework for this scenario was straightforward, and it added a great value to our lessons. For instance, in the gauge phase, students brainstormed ideas about soil's importance. In the explore phase, they used digital tools to study soil erosions and water balance. This structured approach kept them very curious and ensured that their learning journey was cohesive. Combining indoor and outdoor activities was another exciting element of this learning scenario. Indoors, students conducted virtual lab experiments on plant growth, while outdoors they observed the local soil conditions. While coordinating the outdoor activities was logistically challenging, especially in finding suitable location, the effort was worth it. These activities helped the students to connect the learning to their local environment, making it meaningful. I believe this learning scenario is highly replicable. The tools and activities are adaptable to different regions and countries. One of the highlights for my students was linking soil health to water retention and plant growth. They were particularly intrigued by how deforestation and urbanization affect soil in our local area. This localized focus not only engaged them, but also encouraged civic responsibility. Of course, not everything went as planned. Some students initially struggled with using the apps, but this turned into a learning opportunity for them. We paused to guide them through the tools, which enhanced their tech skills. If I were to do this again, I'd allocate more time for this preparatory phase. To teachers looking to start their own LOESS integrated learning scenarios, I can say don't be afraid to innovate. Start with a topic that resonates with your students and ties to their community. The BSCS5E model is an excellent guide. It keeps the process organized and student-centered. Remember, the key is to ignite curiosity and make learning interactive. Happy soil education and enjoy your MOOC. Bye!